Hi guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to use ChatGPT for free. So, ChatGPT now 3.5 and 4.0 version is totally free. You can use it anywhere from you want. So let's go to the browser and open right here sign up for ChatGPT. Click on sign up for ChatGPT and you'll find this option. This one, the second option, click on this chatgpt.com reference abstract. Now you have to click on sign up on top right corner. You can see the cursor. You have to give the email address and click on continue. Give the password. Now click on continue. Now you have to go to your Gmail. Then you'll find here ChatGPT first option. Click on this. And you have to click on verify email address. Click on verify email address. Sometimes it may ask you for the phone number, but this time it is not asking. But maybe sometime it may ask you for phone number, then you have to give the phone number. Then they will send verification code to your phone number as SMS, and you have to put the verification code to open an account. Now you have to put here your full name and birth date, and you have to click on agree. After click on agree, your account will be created and you can use ChatGPT for free. Okay guys, so this is how you can do this guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.